Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best adult chef costume is probably one of the most versatile and fun pieces of attire you can add to your wardrobe, whether you're a seasoned culinary artist looking to impress at a themed party, a home cook wanting to add a touch of flair to your kitchen adventures, or even if you're just looking for a unique and memorable Halloween outfit. This costume isn't just about looking the part, it's about embracing the spirit of cooking, creativity, and perhaps a little bit of playful role-playing, making it a fantastic choice for a wide range of occasions and personal expressions. Number 5. SATINIOR Chef Costume Set. Introducing the SATINIOR Chef Costume Set, perfect for adults who love to cook or play dress-up. This set includes a chef hat and apron, designed for both comfort and style. Our adjustable apron ensures a perfect fit for everyone, providing ample coverage. You can tie it in the front or back for customized comfort and a vintage look. Crafted from high-quality poly yarn dyed fabric, this set is built to last. It's machine washable, fade-proof, and designed to be lightweight and comfortable for extended wear. The apron features 2 convenient pockets in the front. Keep your essential tools like recipe cards, pens, or even your phone close at hand while you cook. Ideal for Christmas, birthday parties, cooking classes, or just a fun cosplay event. This versatile set adds a touch of fun to any gathering. Presented in exquisite packaging, this unisex chef set makes a wonderful gift for anyone who enjoys cooking or themed parties. Surprise your loved ones with this unique present. What we like. This set offers a comfortable and adjustable fit for everyone, ensuring great coverage. Its durable fabric is designed for longevity and easy cleaning. If you're looking for a versatile and practical costume for parties or everyday cooking, this is a fantastic choice due to its thoughtful design and included pockets. What people say. The quality is top-notch, thick, durable fabric that protects me while I cook and bake. The fit is comfortable, and the design is both stylish and functional with deep pockets for my tools. This works for a chef, s'mores, barbecue, or picnic theme. It fits her great. She is 5 feet 3 inches and weighs 120. I got the small and it's perfect. Number 4. Chef Works Unisex Bistro Chef Apron. Introducing the Chef Works Unisex Bistro Chef Apron. It's designed for both durability and style in the kitchen. This apron offers a comfortable fit for all-day wear. Its unisex design ensures it suits everyone. Achieve a professional look with this bistro-style apron. It's perfect for culinary professionals and home cooks alike. Keeping it clean is simple. This apron is made for easy maintenance, so you can focus on your cooking. Whether in a busy restaurant or your home kitchen, it provides excellent protection. It's a versatile addition to your culinary attire. What we like. Designed for a professional look, this apron is made from a durable twill fabric that can withstand frequent use. It features multiple pockets for convenience. If you are a culinary professional or aspiring chef who values both style and functionality in your workwear, this apron is an excellent option. What people say. It fit well and stays out of the way for cooking and moving. Good fabric, decent size pocket and nice length. Practically speaking, it came just as pictured, a long white apron. From a practicality and fit standpoint, no problems all night. I didn't need to retie it or anything, and it didn't ride down, which I thought might be an issue. The waist ties are long enough I could wrap it around my waist and tie in the front. The fabric isn't cotton, it's thick and oddly silky feeling. I'm not sure what it is, but I imagine it would do a good job repealing stains from your clothing when cooking. Number 3. Uncommon Threads Classic Chef Coat. Introducing the Classic Chef Coat from Uncommon Threads. Experience the perfect blend of timeless style and unparalleled comfort in your kitchen. Designed with culinary professionals in mind, this coat offers durability and a polished look. It's built to withstand the demands of a busy kitchen. Crafted from breathable yet durable fabric, it ensures you stay cool and comfortable throughout your shift. This garment is made to last. Its unisex design provides a comfortable and flattering fit for all body types. You'll appreciate the freedom of movement it offers. Elevate your professional image with this essential piece of kitchenware. It's the reliable choice for chefs who value quality and performance. Maintaining a professional appearance is effortless with its easy care fabric. It's designed to look great, wash after wash. What we like. This classic chef coat provides a professional and polished look for any kitchen environment. Made from a breathable polycotton blend, it ensures comfort during long hours. If you want to project an image of expertise and professionalism, or if you're attending a culinary event, this coat is the ideal choice. What people say. The hat is adjustable and fits well. The apron is made of durable material and has deep pockets. The chef jacket is breathable and comfortable for long wear. Number 2. Hyzrz Chef Hat, Adjustable Baker Kitchen Cap. Experience ultimate comfort with our adjustable chef hat. Designed for a perfect fit, it ensures you stay comfortable during long hours in the kitchen. Crafted from breathable materials, this hat keeps you cool and focused. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to enhanced kitchen performance. Built to last, our chef cap is both durable and easy to maintain. Simply toss it in the wash for quick and effortless cleaning. Elevate your culinary look with this classic baker's cap. It's the perfect accessory for any aspiring or professional chef. Whether you're a home cook or a seasoned professional, this hat is designed for you. Enjoy a secure and comfortable fit every time you cook. What we like. This chef hat is designed for ultimate comfort with its adjustable elastic band, ensuring a snug fit for any head size. Its lightweight and breathable material makes it perfect for extended wear. If you need a simple, comfortable, and functional hat for cooking, baking, or costume events, this is a great pick. What people say. The chef hat is adjustable and fits comfortably. The apron is made of durable material and has deep pockets. The costume includes a chef jacket, pants, and a hat, providing a complete look. Number 1. Chef Hat Premium Adjustable Baker Kitchen Cooking Cap. Introducing our premium chef hat, designed for comfort and style in the kitchen. Its adjustable feature ensures a perfect fit for any adult. Experience ultimate comfort with its breathable fabric and adjustable elastic band. This cap is perfect for long hours in the kitchen. Elevate your culinary experience with this essential kitchen accessory. It's ideal for both professional chefs and home bakers alike. Crafted for durability, this baker's cap is built to withstand the demands of any cooking environment. It's a reliable addition to your kitchenware. Whether you're cooking, baking, or catering, this versatile cap provides a professional look and feel. It's designed to keep you cool and focused. What we like. Experience superior comfort and style with this premium chef hat. It features an adjustable design for a perfect fit and is crafted from high-quality materials. If you're seeking a durable and fashionable headwear option for your culinary adventures or themed parties, this hat offers both practicality and a touch of elegance. What people say. The chef hat is adjustable and fits well. The apron is made of durable material and has deep pockets. The costume includes a chef jacket, pants, and a hat, making it a complete set. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.